Hi, this is Brian here, and we will be today looking at the ACCA F5 March June 2017 exam paper, and we will be discussing requirement A from question 32 from section C. So requirement A is down here. Let's take a look. There are a few keywords which are important. Explain. So the first verb is explain. It's not a very high level verb, so you probably could memorize an answer. Why the balanced scorecard approach, so you need to be familiar with the balanced scorecard, is more useful to measure performance for the People's Bank than a traditional approach using solely performance measures. So you need to talk about the benefits of the balanced scorecard above a traditional approach. Now usually, if this type of question does not have the People's Bank over here, if it did not have this, then you can probably memorize a general answer. But in this scenario, they have specifically mentioned the People's Bank. So we need to draw our answer from the available information in the text. Okay, so since this is a comparison, we don't really need to look at the performance measures here. I'm going to cross that out, so you can ignore those for the time being. And we're going to pay attention to what's up here. So before we start, we need to frame our answer. Let's talk generally about what's the benefits of the balanced scorecard. So first of all, the balanced scorecard would try to give you a competitive edge. That means we apply the balanced scorecard to gain advantage over our competitors. And we also have the achievement of vision and objectives. We use the balanced scorecard to see whether we achieve maybe non-financial or even financial vision and objectives. And thirdly, you have some kind of commercial benefit. By making your processes more efficient, by measuring them, you would earn more profit, which is the objective of any commercial entity. So in this scenario, we're going to take a look at first competitive edge. Okay, now if you see my written answer, the balanced scorecard helps the People's Bank to identify and satisfy a variety of customers for long-term competitive advantage. You must link your answer to the People's Bank. Now, why do I talk about customers? Because in this scenario over here, they say that you have many branches, you have a wide range of customers. Okay, in fact, in the vision, there's the word customers. You also have the things here called putting customer needs first, understanding customer needs. You have identified different types of customers, disabled customers, visually impaired customers. Over here, visually impaired customers. You have disadvantaged customers. You have new homeowners, and you even have small and medium-sized businesses. So within the question text, there's a lot of customer groups which have been identified. So we need to talk about these things. So this would be the answer for the competitive edge. The balanced scorecard helps the People's Bank to identify and satisfy a variety of customers, customer-centric approach for long-term competitive advantage. This is probably due to the diverse customer base of the People's Bank: disabled, visually impaired, disadvantaged, and SMEs. Okay, let's look at the second bullet point, achievement of vision objectives. Now, again, we need to link it to the question. Let's just find the vision first in this data here. The People's Bank vision is to be the bank which gives back to customers. You will realize that this vision is not a commercially successful vision. It doesn't have profit in its mind. It has give back to customers as its main vision. That's non-commercial. So the balanced scorecard, because there's a lot of non-commercial perspectives, it helps the People's Bank to measure whether they are achieving their customer-centric vision, which I will further write over here. The main vision of the People's Bank is a customer-centric vision. So the balanced scorecard helps them to achieve it. Third item is the commercial benefit. So when we implement the balanced scorecard, it's supposed to help the company make more money. If it doesn't, there's no point commercially. So here we can talk about the balanced scorecard would help improve the visibility and efficiency of the People's Bank's business processes, improving the achievement of commercial objectives. So basically, balanced scorecard helps you make more money by making your internal processes and other perspectives more visible, more measurable. And one of the examples which I can give you over here is the IT investment. Where do I find this? I will find this over here in the first objective. The People's Bank has recently invested heavily in IT security to prevent fraud. So the balanced scorecard would be able to identify that objective and measure whether that investment was actually doing its job and achieving its objectives. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.